Hi viewers, Samanat Small Steps Trader channel. So before going to this video, today's tidbit. A successful trader is a realist. He knows his abilities and limitations. He sees what is happening in the market and know how to react. So what author says, a successful trader is a realist. He won't be optimistic and he won't be pessimistic. So he is the realist. And he knows his abilities and limitations. What is his capabilities? What is his skills? He knows. And where are he lagging? The limitations he knows. So how to improvise he knows. So that's what author says. And he knows what is happening in the market and how to react it. So as he is the realist, he will clearly know what is happening in the market, how to manage the market. He won't predict, but he will manage. So even everyone have to be how to manage that we have to learn. Don't predict the market, that is a little bit, but you have to manage. That is the most important thing. Okay, before going to this video, disclaimer, I am not a CBT registered advisor, so whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. That will lead you to a good trader and investor. So here we are saying that gold mini, silver mini, crude and natural gas future and options contract expiry for your reference. Now we'll go to the market. So for the commodity traders, US dollar is most important. Yesterday the gold is abnormally, it has opened a gap up. So that moment everything is cooled down by cost and by US dollar index. So because of this upside move, it came down and it's cooled down now. So if you see this dollar index, it's keep on respecting this channel, and after touch the support, it touch the resistance. So it is at a resistance level. It may go to till 104 also, then it may come down. So that's what the here. And if you see the dollar index in the daily chart, so it is so this channel is this is the portion. But if you see a big channel in the day chart, so still it may go in the upper side, so that level would be the 104. So that's what I am saying, yes, 104. So we can expect 104. So if moves towards 104, still we can expect gold may come down little bit. Then again, once dollar started to coming down, again gold will go upside. So this is gold movement is not exactly only by US dollar. It is not exactly only by US dollar. It is one of the factor. So that we have to keep in mind. Now we'll see gold. Yes. So first we will see the weekly chart. So yesterday, see last week it came close to the resistance. We said 2080 dollar would be the resistance. So yesterday no one expected. It is not a breakout. It opening itself beyond that resistance level, and then it came to the inside the, again it break the resistance in the downside, it came. So the same thing we are seeing in the MCX. So it gone till 64,300, close to 64,300, and then it is came down. So from there it's almost, if you see 2000 point, it has came down. So what is the next move? So what I feel is it won't again, it keep on comes down. Maybe there are chances it this shadow it will cover. So upcoming days it move towards this shadow. This would be the resistance for this week. Even for subsequent, this is the immediate, this shadow or the yesterday's high would be the resistance now. So there are probabilities again it move towards the resistance, because if you see the indicator also, the momentum is still in the upper side, even RSI also the same thing. So that's what I guess the market probably will go in the upper side. There is no reversal signal, so that's the another reason. So if you see in 4-hour chart, the same thing. If you see the indicator, there is no clear indication. If you see the MACD, it still didn't come to the zero line. and RSI it is close to the 50, not breakdown. And if you see this current price movement, so it opened beyond the channel, and it's now it came inside the channel, and it is exactly at the channel support. So the next move would be in the upper side. So that is another reason I am saying this will go in the upper side now. It is cooled down and it is saturated, it's go to the upper side. So if you see, this market is over yesterday. Now if the same thing, if you see here, so after our market over, so the gold has come in the upper side. So today you can expect a bit of the gap up. So it clearly signaling that now it's moving towards again the channel resistance 2800, 2100 will be the immediate resistance. That if that breaks, the highest is again 2150, the yesterday's high. So the same thing we can expect in silver also. Now we will see silver. So exactly it touched the resistance as in a global content as well as in MCX. It touched the resistance, it's came down, but this would be the strong level. 74,000 would be the strong level. So if that breaks only, it will come down. Otherwise again the probability it will go towards 78. So that is the thing. And if you see the MACD, it's very much close to the zero line, but not penetrated the zero line. And similarly, if you see the RSI also 55, it's not at 50. So this is also another reason it's saturated, and now the next move would be in the upper side only. Okay, what the dollar index is. So MCX we have a bullion index, which is gold and silver covers that bullion index. That we will see how we have a Nifty in equity market, which represents 50 stocks. Similarly, this bullion index represents the gold and silver. So that we will see now. Yes, that's clearly in the upper side. So there is no signal for the downside movement. So though it is in the overbought zone, so we cannot say immediate after it gone to the overbought zone it will come down. Sometime it will travel in the overbought zone. So that's what it indicates now. And if you see yesterday, so in the weekly, so again it is in the upper side only, both signal line and the MACD line, and even RSI also in the higher side. So that is the reason I am saying there is still possibilities it will go in the upper side. Now we will see crude oil. So we keep saying that 6,500 and 6,000 is the range. So after respecting that 6,500, 6,600 on, now it's moved towards 6,000. So if we see in the dollar term, it is 73. So we can expect till 70 also. If you see in the weekly chart, so $70 is the strong support. So it may come to $70. So in case if it comes to $70, so what would be our MCX price? 70 into 84. So 5,880, 5,900 say we can expect in the downside. Downside target would be 5,900. So the that 84 is the USD INR price. So actually the USD INR is 83 plus. Why I kept this 84 is there are a lot of taxes are involved. So that's what I have approximately I kept 84. So we cannot exactly accurately we can't predict it. So the approximate is work out well. So you can expect that 5,900 would be the next target. Now we will see natural gas. This is quite not worry, yet keep us in dilemma, because it after it touch the support line of the channel, it break it. So we cannot exactly it will touch, it will go in the upper side, even in the resistance also. So there will be a bit of in the higher side it will go and then come. So it will confuse the traders. So maybe it is like that. So we cannot exactly say that. So if you see the dollar in the weekly chart, we can come to know that. So it's maybe the downside candle it's forming. So if it looks like it is forming, so if that is the case, the downside movement would be 2000, sorry, not $2. We can expect in $2. If the natural gas comes to $2, so what would be our MCX price? So 2 into 84, 168. So we can expect 170 if the downturn confirms. Still the trend is not confirmed whether it is in the upper side or in the downside. So there are a lot of probabilities, still it go in the upper side only. If that goes in the upper side, 3.54 would be the target. So if that is the case, that we will see 3.54 into 84, so close to 300, so it may go. So presently again it's in dilemma, there is no confirmation whether in the upper side or downside. So it is better not to trade while we are in the dilemma. So our motto should not be making money, our motto not losing the money. So that's how a trader mindset should be. So with that aspect, watch this, observe this, don't enter. Once you get the clear confirmation, then you enter in natural gas. Okay viewers, I hope this video was very much informative to you. If you like to know something else, you mention in comments box. I try to address that. See you in next video. Until bye bye. Thank you. Wish you all the best.